Bear and bird learn to share. This is the big bear and this is the little blue bird. Bear and bird learn to share. Bear and bird shivered as snowflakes fell. Brrr, it's cold today. Snow had fallen on the distant hills. Winter was on its way. The animals searched for juicy fruit. It was time to hibernate. But Bear gathered every ripe berry he could. There was no time to wait. Bird chased after the greedy bear and chirped, "Others need to eat." But Bear didn't want to listen to his advice and made a speedy retreat. Bird was upset with his best friend. "Bear, that's so unfair. All of our friends will go hungry if you're not prepared to share. Look, everybody's looking at the berries." Clutching all the delightful berries, Bear turned and ran for home. "I'm a hungry bear who needs lots of food. Please just leave me alone." The next day, Bear looked out at the forest. It was white and dusted with snow. But Bird was nowhere to be seen. Where on earth did he go? Bear was worried, so left his cave and searched for Bird high and low. He scattered his tasty food, leaving a trail, and piled berries high in the snow. Bear was sad. Bird must be starving. He's flown away, but where? Looking up, he heard a high-pitched chirp. "Thank you for the food, kind bear." Look, there he is. All of the animals were back at Bear's cave. They'd followed the trail of food. Bear felt very bad for taking it all. He now knew it was wrong and a little bit rude. Oh, look, they're all sharing together in the cave. It's nice to share, isn't it? His forest friends forgave him because he really seemed to care. As they played outside in the freezing snow, Bear agreed, "It is good to share." Oh, well done, Bear, for sharing all of your berries. That's lovely. That's very nice. All the friends together can share. Bye, guys.